How do I create views in Apache Hive? If you are curious about how to create views in Apache Hive, you are in the right spot. Views are a powerful feature that can help you manage and simplify your data queries. Let's break down the process step by step. In Apache Hive, a view acts like a virtual table. It is defined by a query and does not store data physically. Instead, it represents the result of a stored query that can be reused. This means you can simplify complex queries and improve readability. To create a view, you will use the create view statement. The basic syntax looks like this. Create view if not exists, view name, comment, column comment, a comment table comment as select. Let's go through each part. First, the command create view starts the creation process. If you want to avoid errors if the view already exists, you can add if not exists. Next, you will choose a name for your view. You can also specify column names and comments for the view if you wish. Adding a comment describing the view can be helpful for future reference. Finally, you will include the as select statement, which is the query that defines what data the view will show. For example, imagine you have an employee table with columns like id, name, salary, designation, and department. If you want to create a view that shows only employees earning more than $30,000, your Hive query would look like this. Create view EMP30000 as select from employee where salary $30,000. Once you create this view, you can query it just like a regular table. For instance, you would use select from EMP30000. This will return all employees earning more than $30,000 without needing to repeat the filtering query every time. It is also important to note that views in Hive behave similarly to those in traditional relational databases. They are logical constructs and do not store data physically. You can perform data manipulation language operations on views, depending on the underlying tables and query complexity. If you ever need to remove a view, you can do so with the command drop view name. Using views is a great way to simplify complex queries, improve code maintainability, and control data access. They allow data scientists and analysts to work with simplified datasets derived from large-scale distributed storage. In the context of data science and analytics trends, views help manage big data more efficiently. They make it easier for users to access and analyze data without rewriting complex queries each time. By incorporating views into your workflow, you can streamline your data processing tasks and focus on deriving meaningful conclusions from your data.